friends, and welcome to part 4. In the previous part already we discussed or we configure the internal routing in each service provider in the IS100 and IS200, and also we configure the BGP, IBGP and external BGP between the customer and the ISP, and also in that side. So now we need to configure or start with MPLS option A. So as you can see here, option A is called also back-to-back, and here you have two options. The first option to use dedicated interface per customer or per VRF, or use the sub interface. So let's start directly to configure option A. So as you can see here, I have one link, which is I'm gonna use a sub interface. Okay, so let's move directly to router 5. Okay, that's good. Now I am in router 5. But before we do that, we need to define define the IPVRF plus the route distinguisher. So IPVRF ABC, for the ABC, I'm gonna use route distinguisher 101, and also route targets. Please both export and import 100:1. Okay, and also I have second one, IPVRF DEF, second customer. Route distinguisher is 200:1, and route target both 201. Okay, good. And also I need to do the same, so just we need to do it like that. Section IPVRF. Okay, so I will do that. Okay, just copy and go directly to router 6. Here, configure. Okay, copy paste. Okay, let's check IPVRF. Okay, good. I have already here ABC and DEF. Nice. After that, I need to configure interface Ethernet 02, no shutdown. And now I need to access Ethernet 2. Let's call it 100. This is for ABC. Okay, dot 100, which is for customer ABC. Then IPVRF, or before we do IPVRF, we need to do encapsulation .1q. Let's give 100. Okay, then IPVRF forwarding ABC. Then I will give an IP address. I'm gonna use 80.0.0.1. Okay, 255.255.252. No shutdown. And for the second customer, 200, I'm gonna use encapsulation .1q 200, IPVRF forwarding ABC or DEF, sorry, IP address, and here I'm gonna use another IP. So 19 already we configured, already used. 25, let's do 26. Okay, 26.0.0.1, 255.255.2, like this. Okay, good. Just to make sure everything is clear, so I'm gonna edit here. I will add also 2600/30. Yeah, so now it's clear. Now let's move to router 6 and do the same. Interface Ethernet 0, no shutdown. Interface 0, okay, 100, encapsulation .1q 100, IP address 18.0.0.2 255.255.252. No shutdown. Oh, sorry, no IP address, sorry. And here should be IP forwarding IBC. Okay, then I'm give the IP address 80.0.0.2 255.255.2. Okay, no need shutdown here. Interface 200, encapsulation don't want you 200, IPVRF forwarding DEF, okay, and IP address 2600255.255.252. Now shut down. Just to make sure everything is correct, so I need to ping to ABC 226, sorry, 18.0.0.1. Let's see if ping success. That's great, ping is success. And also for 26, but with VRF DEF. Perfect. Okay, so now the ping is working. So now what we gonna do, let's check, show here, show IP route VRF ABC. As you can see here, I have only 10.1.1. I can receive only 10.1.1. And for router 5, show IP VRF ABC. Okay, so here I have only 800. So now what we're gonna do, we need to do the BGP between these two routers. So router BGP 100, and I need to add access to address IPv4 VRF ABC, and here I'm gonna use neighbor is my neighbor 18.0.0.2 in the remote autonomous system 200. Okay, good. And also I have another one, address family IPv4 VRF but DEF, and my neighbor is 260.0.2 in the remote autonomous system 200 as well. Same in the router 6, let's do router BGP 200, address IPv4 VRF ABC. My neighbor is 18.0.0.1 in the remote autonomous system 100, and also I have another one which is DEF, so I have received an update, BGP update, okay, and I have neighbor 260.0.0.1 in the remote autonomous system 100 as well. Let's see if I'm receiving the BGP. Okay, still one. Okay, good. Now is I have received, so I can show IPBGP all. Okay, show IPBGP summary. Still not show IPBGP all. Okay, why I can see here, show IPVRF or show IP route VRF ABC. So okay, good. Okay, now let's check show IPBGP summary. Okay, show IPBGP. Okay, I cannot see any BGP here. Okay, let's back to router 3, show IPBGP summary. So here I have 2.2, okay, 4.4, and 5.5 is idle. So idle, it means is not configured from router 5. Let's back to router 5, show run section BGP. Okay, router BGP. Okay, there is no neighborship with 10. I don't know, it's removed or what. Okay, so I have my neighbor which is 10.3.3.3 in the remote autonomous system 100, and please use update loopback bug 0, and also don't forget to create MPBGP because it's very important. Neighbor 10.3.3.3 activate. Now should be, can see established. Let's back to router 3 if idle is gone. Yeah, now is good. I have relationship with this. So if we do show IPBGP summary, yes, I have one with 10.3.3, show IPBGP all. Great. So now I'm receiving 10.0.0, which is this one, and 10.1.1.1, okay. From what? From 10.0.0.2. Okay, good. From this back via the RR, and I receiving 10.12.12.12, okay, which is this one, and via 10.4.4.4. Okay, good. So now is good. Let's check from this side. I think also there is no BGP show run with RR section BGP. Yes, there is no BGP connection with RR. Okay, let's do it again. I think I forget to save the config. Okay, no problem. 200. I have a neighbor 10.777. Okay, in the remote autonomous system. Which autonomous system? 200. And please use update loopback 0 and also activate VPN v4 or the MPBGP. Neighbor 10.7.7 activate. Okay, nice. Yes. Show IPBGP all. Great, nice. So now I'm receiving 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, from what? From 18.0.0.1. And I'm also receiving what? 10, 11, 11. 10, 11, 11. Where is 10, 11, 11? This one, okay, from customer ABC. And 24, which is this IP, okay, to the customer. And also for 200, I'm receiving 10, 10, 10, okay, this one, 10, 10, for the customer DF, which has the route distinguisher 201. And I'm receiving 12, 10, 12, 12, 12, okay, from what? From 2601, which is our subinterface for the customer DEF. Okay, great. Let's check router 1 if can see anything. Show IP route. Great. So now router 1 can see the BGP 10.11.11, okay, which is this customer in the other side via 10.0.0.2, okay, and also C24, these subnets, okay. Okay, good. And also if we going to this router 12, show IP route, now I can see the BGP 10, 10, 10. Okay, good. So let's try to ping now, if ping is successful. Ping to 10, 11, 11, 11, source 10, 1, 1, 1. Good. So now ping is success. If now making trace to 10, 11, 11, 11, 11, source 10, 1, 1, 1, okay, numeric, okay. As you can see here now, I'm gonna trace. So if I want to go to from this router to this router, I'm gonna use 10.0.0.2 without MPLS, because here we don't have MPLS. After accessing here, okay, so now I'm using the label. I'm going to the RR, then the RR, which will be reflected to this router 6. You could also use MPLS, that's great. And now this is the very important. So here in option A or back to back, so here we don't use the MPLS. So here we are using the normal one, okay, normal one. Then I access to the second autonomous system, which is 200, okay, this one. I'm using the MPLS, okay, to 244. Okay, great. Then I access to what? To this router without MPLS. So this is great. And also let's try from 12 as well. So from the customer DEF, so I'm gonna use ping to 10 source 10 12 12 12. Okay, ping is a success. Okay, and now let's trace route to 10 source 10 12 12 12. Okay, oh, I forgot to do numeric. Anyway, let's do it from the other side. It's better now. Let's do it from here, okay, because it takes a lot of time now. Okay, trace route to 12 or before. Let's ping first 10 12 12 12 source 10 10 10 10. Okay, ping is success. Now trace and here don't forget numeric. Okay, good. So now, as you can see here, from here to here we don't have MPLS. After that I need to access from here, okay, via 2111. Okay, I'm using the MPLS, going to route reflector. The route reflector reflect going via the MPLS, then going to via sub interface, okay, 26001, then access to 17002, which is this one, via MPLS, okay, and then access to what? To router 12. So now the option A is success. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please you can keep a comment. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.